how to wear wide leg pants while traveling and pee without them touching the floor. So for this demonstration, we are going to be wearing the cat suit underneath the pants. But I want to show you what I do because there's a ton of people in the comments section always saying, but yeah, how do you pee? And you know, even though this seems like it might be like a weird issue to discuss, I think it's important because nobody wants their pants touching the restroom floor anywhere. So let's talk about what I do. These particular pants, they do not tie around. I do not have to untie them because there's a zipper right here, and that's handy. So when I'm traveling, here's the issue. If you just drop your pants, they immediately touch the floor. Nobody likes that. So what I do is instead of dropping my pants, I begin to roll them down. And I just roll them, keep rolling them up into themselves. And that way, they never touch the floor, even when you squat. Do you squat? I do. And if you sprinkle when you tinkle, you should be a sweetie and wipe the seatie. That's the rule. Same with jumpsuits. I think it's widely agreed that the worst thing about jumpsuits is feeling absolutely butt naked when you have to pee. And I agree. But can we also agree that jumpsuits are cute and worth it sometimes? So now let's talk about the best way to pee in a jumpsuit. Not pee in the jumpsuit, pee when you're wearing a jumpsuit. How to wear a jumpsuit in the restroom. How should we say that? Well, here comes the part where you just start getting butt naked. Is it buck naked or butt naked? Okay, so what you do is you get to about here where you're unzipped. But don't just let it drop. Never let it drop. Just keep rolling. Roll everywhere. Keep rolling it up into itself. That way, when you drop your pants, they still aren't touching the floor. You see that? Just keep rolling it. Don't worry about wrinkles. It's only for like 1 minute, 30 seconds. I don't know how long it takes you to pee. So when you're done being absolutely naked and exposed, just unroll it carefully so you don't touch the floor again. I mean, I do really find it to be simple. It's not a big deal. Just roll them up. Roll it into itself. Never let it touch the floor. All right, happy travels.